In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Bitcoin on Oanda. Before we place a trade, it's important to understand that Oanda offers two different ways to trade Bitcoin. The first is through crypto CFDs, which is the most common method on the platform. With CFDs, you don't own actual Bitcoin. You're simply speculating on price movements, very similar to how you might trade a currency pair. This setup lets you go long if you expect the price to rise, or go short if you expect it to fall. The second method is spot crypto, where you actually own Bitcoin, but this requires activating a separate crypto account. In this walkthrough, we'll use the CFD method because it's the quickest and most straightforward for most users. To get started, open your Oanda platform. This could be FX Trade, MT4, or MT5. In the instrument search, type BTCUSD. That's the Bitcoin versus US dollar market you'll be trading. Once you've pulled up BTCUSD, decide on direction. Click Buy if you think the price will go up. Click Sell if you think the price will go down. This choice simply reflects your view on where Bitcoin is headed. Next, set your trade size. On FX Trade, this is in units. On MT4 and MT5, it's in lots. Keep your size reasonable for your account so that normal Bitcoin volatility doesn't overwhelm your risk tolerance. Add a stop loss to help protect your downside. This is strongly recommended. You can also set a take profit to automatically close your trade at a target level, which is optional but helpful for planning exits. When everything looks right, click Place Trade. You're now trading Bitcoin's price movement only. You are not taking delivery of real BTC in a wallet. Orders on Oanda work just like in Forex. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, which is great when you want in or out right now. A limit order lets you set a specific price, for example, to buy lower than the current market or sell higher. Limit orders will only execute at your chosen price or better, offering more control over entry. Here's a simple example. If BTCUSD is trading at 60,000 and you believe it's going higher, you click Buy. If instead you think it's heading lower, you click Sell. Your profit or loss will move with the market relative to your entry, multiplied by your trade size, while your stop loss and take profit manage the exit automatically. That's the core workflow for trading Bitcoin on Oanda using CFDs. Keep your position sizing disciplined, always use risk controls, and choose the order type that matches your plan.